Hi guys, welcome to this short video from Bite Size Excel in which we're going to look at basic font formatting. So in this worksheet we have a very basic stock list, and some of the simplest ways to change the text is to use in the Home tab, in this font group, we can select the drop down list here. The default font type in Excel is Calibri and usually size 11. But if we want to change that, we click the drop down list and there are a range of options that you can pick from. So say, want to change here and increase the size to 16. It's easily done. If we want to also change our text size, you can also use these little increase or decrease next to the letter A buttons. So if we click this one, it goes up in size, and this one down in size. We can also make our text bold by holding this little B here, or the shortcut for this is to hold down Control and B, and it makes our text bold. Similarly, we can turn it into italics or underline, with the shortcuts being Control and I or Control and U respectively. So Control and I for italics, and Control and U, or press the button for underline. And we can also change by clicking this little drop down arrow next to the underline button. We can make it a double underline. Other options in this font tab are the little paint bucket, which is to fill the background color of your cell. So clicking on the drop down, there's a range of preset colors. Or if we don't like any of these, we can click on more colors and either select something from the color wheel here, or pick a custom color where you can adjust to exactly what you want, or add in your desired red, green and blue. So coming out of that, final thing to note on your colors is Excel has a range of inbuilt styles. So you can select an option from here. If you want to create a simple heading, you can select some of the options that Excel has built in automatically. So that's just a quick introduction to the font tab and how you, in a very simple manner, can format your text within Excel. In later videos, I'll be looking at how you format numbers and alignment in cells. If there's anything else you're interested in knowing about, please do let me know, and I hope to see you on the next video.